If you have the will, the determination to succeed, you can be whatever you want to be, no matter the obstacles that may be in your path. These words were said by Nigel Hector. And if that name doesn't ring a bell, then I'll say NIGY BOY. It is an immensely good feeling when we hear good news about a Jamaican artist. And NIGY BOY has not only been churning out hits, but feel-good moment after feel-good moment. Determination for success seems to be coded in his DNA. NIGY is currently attending Stony Brook University. He is double majoring in history and political science with concentrations in US history, law, government, and public policy. He hopes to fulfill his dreams of becoming a lawyer. And to achieve this, he is also an intern for Caribbean American Assembly member Alicia Hyndman. Now, on May 7th, which is marked as Queen's Day in Albany, she introduced NIGY BOY as a special guest at the New York State Assembly session. NIGY BOY was given a standing ovation and commendations from the Speaker of the House. NIGY BOY, as you know, worked with producer Russian on the popular Dirty Money rhythm. He released a master class in songwriting on his song which was called Continent. This song has racked up 11 million views on YouTube and over 2.5 million Spotify streams. Many dancehall fans have regarded the song as the best song on the rhythm, and the rhythm also features Governor, Sean Paul, Valiant, and Jada Kingdom. On another rhythm produced by Russian, the Payment Plan rhythm, NIGY BOY has released Judgment, and this has garnered over 6 million YouTube views to this day. You know what they say, no? The third time is a charm. And Russian is a Grammy-winning platinum producer. So maybe on their next hit, NIGY BOY may also receive a Grammy. Who knows? That would definitely be a feel-good moment, wouldn't it? Anyways, enough talking. Here's a clip.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Today is Queen's Day, and so I have one person from the delegation, and he doesn't know this is happening. But I'd like to introduce you to Nigel Hector, also known as NIGY BOY. So if you don't know, he has over 550,000 followers on Instagram. He has over 233,000 monthly listeners on Spotify. He has over 160,000 streams last week for his newest song, Judgment, on Spotify. So Nigel Hector, also known as NIGY BOY, has also been my intern, and he hails from Springfield Gardens, Queens. So while we have him here, I would like to introduce, if you don't know this, he's my intern. But he's a reggae superstar, and on most weekends he could be in Guyana, Jamaica, what other places? Bahamas. But he has a huge tour, and he'll be at UBS Arena this Friday. So I would like to like you to please give him the cordialities of the House while we have him. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Certainly, on behalf of Ms. Hyndman, the Speaker, and all the members, we welcome you here to the New York State Assembly, extend to you the privileges of the floor. Thank you for your contribution to music and arts and such an incredible following. Also, we look forward to hearing you at UPS. Continue your great work. Know you're always welcome. Thank you, sir.